This is a review of the Hulkman Jumpstarter Alpha Pro. That is pretty much a jump starter. That's a 59.2 WH high capacity car battery, and it pretty much is a PD65W fast charging system. It comes with as well too. And we're gonna unbox and review this package, and from there we are also going to test this out on pretty much on one of my vehicles to see whether or not if this product and this car jump starter is worth it. So without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so I do want to say that the package is extremely high quality. It's absolutely beautiful. So pretty much if I take this cover off where it says hit the road now, we're going to take this off and there goes your jumper as well too, the positive and negative. Really, I do want to say that this is extremely high quality. It feels very, durable, and it looks like it will last for a lifetime. And the weight of this jumper, the negative positive itself, has a good feel to it as well too. It's really heavy duty and high quality. And pretty much from here, this is the jumper itself here too. So pretty much here, we're going to turn this on, then show you guys the features it has. And then from there, we are also going to test this on my vehicle to pretty much see how well this thing performs. Okay, so before we test this onto the car, I do want to show a little bit of quick features about this itself here too. So you click on this button and then right over here, it automatically turns on. And you can see here, it comes with some juice supplied at 76%. Right over here, if we click on this button right over here, you can have a flashlight as well too. So this jumper, it could come in hand, especially during those hurricane times or pretty much any disaster storms where lights go out. This is extremely fairly bright, and you can see here how bright this thing is, and you can also adjust the brightness level. So you can have this is the maximum, I believe that this is how bright it could be, and extremely bright. And then right over here, you can have strobe effects as well too. And then you can have it a flash mode as well too. Then you can also have it in an amber red, which is really cool. That is something I did not expect. It really is a cool color that it comes with as well too. And then you close it up just like that. Right over here is where you put your jumper, your negative and positive, to pretty much jump your car. So you could pretty much take this off and on however you want it, or pretty much if you're not using it, you just take it off right there and it just comes off like that. But one of the cool things about this jump starter, but it's not just only that. The best thing about it all is that underneath here, we get pretty much a USB charger to pretty much charge it up. So, during those times when, if there's no lights and things are off, lights are gone, then you can also charge your devices, such as your iPhones or anything that you need to charge. You could use that to charge it up. And it comes with the USB-C charger and then also a USB charger itself here too, the regular charger as well. Then not just that, but we also get a 12-volt cigarette light charger that comes with as well too, which is really cool. So you could charge this up through a 12-volt cigarette lighter, which is really amazing. But yeah, that's pretty much all the features itself here too. But what we're gonna do now is we're gonna test this onto the car to see how well this thing performs. Okay, so this right here is the finished results, and you can see here my car, it didn't really need a jump start. Sometimes the battery does go off and it looks like it needs a jump, but this time it didn't look like it needed it. You can see here, it even tells you that it didn't really need it. It's at 76%. And you can see here, it says that it's pretty much ready to pretty much, you could start your car vehicle and your car up. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this jumper because of the fact that it tells you when your car needs to be jumped. And like I told you guys, it comes with the USB-C on the bottom. If there's any disaster storm that comes where lights go out, you can use that to charge up your phones. And not only that, but it also comes with a flashlight with, 3 different settings it has. One is a strobe, then you can have it on lit in the white color, and then also comes with the red, strobe feature as well too. But other than that, I would definitely recommend this jump starter because not only you could jump start your car, but you could also jump start your diesel truck as well too. So if you own a diesel truck, it's very heavy duty use where you could pretty much jump start your diesel truck as well. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this jump starter if you're looking for a new jump starter for your vehicle or your diesel truck. Then this one from Hulkman is definitely one of the best jump starters that you could get, and I would definitely recommend this product.